Think you know the wild? Prove it. Tallest land animal?
Welcome to the quiz.
A. Giraffe. Bear native to China that eats bamboo?
Get ready for question one.
B. Giant panda. Bird famous for its laugh in Australia? C. Kookaburra. Plant that closes leaves when touched? D. Mimosa pudica. Mollusk with 3 hearts? A. Octopus. Shark that is the largest fish? B. Whale shark. Amphibian that breathes through skin and lungs? C. Frog. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and challenge a friend to beat it. Follow to get a little smarter every day.